During this portion of our training, I'd like to introduce you to and help you grow familiar with the details of the coaching program. The Juvenile Justice Committee coaching program is designed to take place over 6 weeks. One time per week, a coach will meet with an adolescent for a single hour. During this time, one of 6 total educational modules will be discussed in detail. Each module covers a topic that the youth may relate to. The modules strive to teach healthy ways of dealing with life's issues, offering tools that promote a positive future. The 6 modules will be presented in this order. During the first meeting with the adolescent, coaches will discuss stress. The next week will be about healthy relationships. Then comes boundaries in week 3, trauma in week 4, coping skills in week 5, and maintenance in week 6. Within each module is an outline. Within the outline is a PowerPoint. Within the PowerPoint is audio. And finally, there is a brochure to be handed out at the end of the meeting. Each component contributes to different educational aspects of the program and seeks to engage a variety of learning styles. So the outline is a detailed walkthrough of each module for use by the coaches. And within the outline are all these other components, everything else that you will need to be successful as a coach. So within the outline, you'll find the PowerPoint. This is where the intervention or educational portion of each module will be presented to the student. The audio is within the PowerPoint, and this voiceover is included in each PowerPoint to add continuity, clarity, and make the presentation more engaging. The brochures, the team will receive a brochure after each session so they can have important information and strategies on hand. Inside the brochure are additional resources dealing with that week's module topic that there isn't enough time to cover during the intervention. When it comes to the organization of the curriculum, the change plan process is central to how we designed our outline. In this process, engagement is the initial connection opportunity. Assessment is a check-in. Planning is an overview of what's to come. Intervention is the lengthiest portion and contains the educational materials. Termination is a recap. Evaluation helps us to understand if the meeting was helpful, and follow-up is discussion of what's to come for the coach and the team. Here we can see the specific steps followed in each hour-long meeting, and the way these steps coincide with those in the change plan process. So the first 10 minutes will be spent in the engagement stage. This is where a teen will get to choose between several activities aimed at connection. There will be a drawing, a physical, a pick a question, or a quiet time activity that they can choose. During the assessment, which should take less than 5 minutes, the adolescent will be asked to rate aspects of their well-being on a scale from 1 to 5 to see where they're at this week. During the planning stage, which is also very quick, less than 5 minutes, this is a quick breakdown of what will be covered during the intervention. Intervention, the bulk of the curriculum, is going to be 40 minutes roughly, and it will be on one of 6 topics that will be discussed in detail, either stress, healthy relationships, boundaries, trauma, coping skills, or maintenance. Termination is a quick step as well, and less than 5 minutes, and it will be a brief recap of what was discussed. Evaluation, another quick one, is a closing questionnaire that rates the teen's understanding and feelings about the module on a scale from 1 to 5. Follow-up is less than 5 minutes, and that's just a brief discussion of future plans, things like meeting time, place, and the discussion topic that will be covered next time. Here, using the example of the stress module, is what the curriculum outline looks like. You'll be working with similar looking outlines as guides throughout each of the modules. Using this outline of our first module, the stress module, we're going to take a detailed look at each piece of the outline and talk about the significance of each step.